Studies all over America have shown that in recent years, the rate of car theft has been dramatically increasing. The number one reason? Unconvincing car alarms. They're so common that no one pays attention to them anymore, allowing thieves to make even the most casual of getaways. Now let's try again with the new alarm by Q Technologies.
Help me!
Designed to grab instant attention, it guarantees that you won't have to worry about the safety of your car ever again. The new Screamer Car Alarm System by Q Technologies. Your car is your baby. Treat it that way.